the partial pressure of oxygen in the alveoli of the lungs is option A, less than that in the blood. It is incorrect because the partial pressure of oxygen in the alveoli is higher than in the blood. Option B, less than that of carbon dioxide. It is also incorrect because the partial pressure of oxygen in alveoli is higher than that of carbon dioxide. Option C, equal to that in the blood. It is also incorrect because oxygen diffuses from the alveoli into the blood due to the concentration gradient. That is, the partial pressure of oxygen in the alveoli must be higher than that in the blood. Option D, more than that in the blood. Now, in the alveoli, the partial pressure of oxygen is approximately 100 millimeter of mercury, and it is higher than that in the deoxygenated blood returning from the body, which is approximately 40 mm of Hg. So this difference drives oxygen diffusion into the blood. Hence, it is the correct option.